Solid tips for creating a good email marketing message. Email marketing is one of the most innovative ways that you can market your wares to people who are likely to buy them. It does, however, take some know-how to build an effective email list. This video will show you some things you can do that will help you be successful with email marketing. Make use of A/B testing for variations on your subject lines. Create an email with two separate subject lines. Send an email with the first subject line to half of your list, and an email with the second subject line to the other half of your list. You will learn which subject lines have the best open rates and which ones people ignore. Treat each reader like a relationship. Ask in the first email for permission to send more. In the second email, tell them what discounts, products and services they can expect in future emails. In the third email and after, follow through the content you promised to provide them with. To get the most of your email marketing, invest in a program that personalizes your emails with every customer's given name instead of a generic greeting. Ensuring that every email starts with the recipient's name is key to encouraging your customers to see your newsletters as valuable information and not just more sales spam. Try engaging the customer using the subject line of the email. Your email must grab your reader's attention the minute it lands inside of their inbox, otherwise it may go into their trash. If you have a weak or an interesting subject line, that is exactly what will happen. So try spicing up your subject line with some creativity. Be sure that your landing page lives up to the customer's expectations. The subscriber is obviously interested in your product if they have clicked on the link in your email. You do not want them to be disappointed by clicking on the link, and finding the page to be other than what they thought it would be. Capture the attention of your readers with the right subject line. You might want to say from 30 to 50 characters and create a sense of urgency. The subject line should give an indication of what the reader can expect once they open the email. Including an attractive incentive will increase the interest of recipients. Now that you've read the entire video, you should have some good ideas of how to go about email marketing. Use the tips that you've just learned and start building a list right away. Keep learning about email marketing, and eventually you'll have a huge list that will increase your customer base. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.